Looking for headphones with powerful bass, clear audio, and all-day comfort? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones. Featuring powerful sound with deep bass and clear detail, advanced active noise canceling, seamless Bluetooth connectivity, and a comfortable over-ear design. These headphones are built to keep up with your music, calls, work, and entertainment all day long. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones, travel pouch, aux audio cable, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. Built with a premium over-ear structure and soft plush cushioned ear cups, it provides a secure yet gentle fit around your ears. The lightweight frame helps reduce pressure during extended use, making them ideal for long listening sessions, travel, work, gaming, or daily commutes. The ergonomic design ensures a stable fit while still feeling comfortable for hours of continuous wear without discomfort or ear fatigue. Engineered to deliver rich studio-level audio performance with powerful bass, well-balanced mids, and crisp, detailed highs. Every track is tuned for clarity and depth, giving you a more immersive listening experience whether you're enjoying music, watching movies, or taking calls. The sound profile is designed to bring out subtle details while maintaining strong, punchy energy across all genres. Offers extended playback time on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy music, calls, and entertainment throughout the day without frequent recharging. With efficient power management, it's perfect for long journeys, busy workdays, or continuous use at home or on the go. Quick charging support also ensures you can get hours of playback from just a short charging session. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology for fast, stable, and seamless pairing with your devices. It allows smooth switching between multiple devices, so you can easily move from listening to music on your phone to taking calls on your laptop without interruptions. The reliable wireless connection ensures low latency and consistent performance for both entertainment and productivity. Technical specifications. How to wear. Check the markings on each ear cup, L for left and R for right, and align them correctly with your ears. This ensures proper sound balance and helps you experience audio the way it was intended, with clear stereo separation and accurate direction. Gently place the ear cups over your ears and adjust their position so they fully cover your ears without gaps. Make small adjustments to ensure a secure and comfortable fit that delivers clear, balanced sound while reducing outside noise. How to pair? Press and hold the power button located on the left ear cup until the LED starts flashing. This indicates that your Sony WH-CH520 headphones are powered on and now in pairing mode, ready to connect to your device. On your smartphone, open Bluetooth or connected devices and select Pair New Device. From the list of available devices, tap Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones and confirm the pairing. Once connected, the headphones are ready for audio playback. Download and launch the Beats app. The app should automatically detect your headphones, tap OK to add them, and you can choose to sign into your account or skip it. You can also go through the optional tutorial to learn about app features, but this step is not mandatory. How to charge. Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port on the headphones. Connect the other end to a power source like a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the LED indicator will show the charging status, and once it's fully charged, usually in about 2 hours, the light will indicate completion. After that, you're ready to enjoy long hours of playback. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.